Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Listening Stories. I am Leo, your teacher, and your guide to learning English in a fun way.
And hi, guys. I am Anna. I am very hungry today, Leo.
You are always hungry, Anna, but that is good because today we are in a special place. Look around. Where are we?
We are in a kitchen. Ooh, are you going to cook for me? I love eating, but I am terrible at cooking. Last week, I tried to boil an egg, and I burned the water.
You burned the water? Anna, that is a special talent. But don't worry. Today we're going to learn real-life English phrases for the kitchen.
That sounds useful. So I can read a recipe and not burn the house down?
Exactly. We will bake bread and make a healthy drink.
Bread? Wow, that sounds difficult.
It is actually very simple. But before we start cooking, to all our listeners, if you want to cook up some good English skills, please click the subscribe button right now.
Yes, click it. It's free and delicious. Well, the videos are not delicious, but the English is.
So, Anna, why do we need to learn English for the kitchen?
Well, Leo, I think food is a universal language, but recipes are in English. I bought a cookbook yesterday, and I did not understand anything. It said knead the dough, and I thought it meant need, like I need money.
That is a classic mistake. Need with a K is for bread. Need with an N is for money. Today, we will fix these problems.
Good. Please save me.
We're going to make a simple loaf of bread.
Okay, I trust you. What is the first step?
The first thing we need for any recipe is the ingredients.
Ingredients? That's a long word.
It is. Ingredients are the food items you use to make a dish, like flour, water, salt, sugar.
Ah, okay, the parts of the food. Got it. What ingredients do we have here?
We have flour, salt, yeast, and water. Now, Anna, pay attention. The water must be lukewarm.
Luke who? Is Luke your friend?
No. Lukewarm is an adjective for temperature. It means not hot and not cold. It's in the middle.
Ah, like baby bathwater?
Exactly. Let's compare. Hot water, ouch, it burns your finger. Cold water, brr, like ice. Lukewarm water, nice, comfortable. If the water is too hot, it kills the yeast. If it's too cold, the yeast does not wake up.
So the yeast is like me in the morning. I need a lukewarm shower to wake up. Not too hot, not too cold.
Precisely. So I mix a little hot water and a little cold water. Now it is lukewarm. I pour it into this big tub.
Tub? Like a bathtub?
No, a big plastic container. We call it a tub or a bowl. And now I add a little bit of molasses.
Molasses? Is that like honey?
Similar. It is dark and sweet. It gives the bread a rich flavor. Now, Anna, I need you to mix it. Here's a whisk.
Okay, I have the whisk. This tool looks funny. It has wires.
Yes, we use a whisk to mix liquids and powders together. Go ahead, Anna.
Whisk, whisk. I feel like a professional chef. Okay, it's mixed. Now what?
Now we add the dry ingredients, the flour. We need about 6 cups.
That's a lot of flour. It looks like a snow mountain.
Now mix it again, but be careful. It will become dough.
Dough. D-O-U-G-H?
Yes, dough is the mixture of flour and water before you bake it. It's soft and thick.
Oh, Leo, it is getting very hard to mix. My arms are tired. I need to go to the gym.
Keep going. Use your muscles. The dough should look messy.
It looks like a sticky mess.
Good word, sticky. Sticky means it attaches to your hands, like glue or honey.
Yes, it is very sticky. Look, it's stuck to the whisk. It won't come off.
That is perfect. This bread recipe is supposed to be sticky. We don't touch it yet. We cover it and let it sit.
Wait, we just let it sit? We don't massage it?
You mean knead it. No, this is no-keyed bread. We just wait for 2 hours.
2 hours? Leo, I'm hungry now.
What do? Stare at the bowl?
No, while the dough is rising, we make something else, a healthy drink.
Let's make a ginger lemon honey tea base.
Ooh, healthy. I need this. I feel sleepy.
Look at this ginger.
Whoa, that is not ginger. That's a dinosaur foot.
It is very big. To prepare it, we need to chop the ginger.
Chop? That means cut, right?
Yes, but chop means cut into small, rough pieces, not perfect.
Do we need to take the skin off?
You mean peel it? No, just wash it well.
Okay, so we chop the ginger. What about the lemons?
We slice the lemons. Now, let me tell you a story.
I love stories.
When I was a child, my grandmother always made this jar. When I had a cold, she took a spoon of ginger and honey, put it in hot water, and made me drink it.
Did it work?
Always. Sweet, sour, spicy. It warms your body from the inside.
That sounds amazing. Like a hug in a cup.
A hug in a cup. I like that. So we put the ginger and lemon into a jar. We pour honey over it. Then we put it in the fridge.
Leo, look, the dough grew.
Yes, the yeast did its job. Now we shape it into a loaf.
Loaf? L-O-A-F?
Yes, a loaf is the shape of bread. We say a loaf of bread.
But Leo, it's sticky. How do I touch it?
Good question. We use flour or olive oil. Put oil on your hands.
Okay, oily hands.
Gently shape it. Don't fight it. Then put it on the baking tray.
Can I make a design?
Yes, make a small cut.
I will make a V for victory or for very hungry.
Perfect. Now we bake it.
How hot?
Very hot.
Do you smell that?
Yes, it smells like a bakery.
It smells like heaven. Can we eat it now?
Yes, be careful, it's hot.
We made a loaf of bread. I feel so proud.
You should be.
Crunchy outside, soft inside. And I didn't burn the water. Wow, Leo. My stomach is full and my brain is full of new English words.
That is a successful day. Let's review.
Ingredients. Things we cook with. Lukewarm, not hot, not cold. Whisk, a mixing tool. Dough, flour and water. Sticky, like glue. Chop, cut into pieces. Loaf, bread shape.
Perfect. You are ready to be a master chef.
Maybe not master chef, but at least I can make a sandwich.
Learning English is like cooking. You need ingredients, you need practice. Sometimes it gets sticky, but the result is wonderful.
I love that comparison.
Now, question of the day. What is your favorite thing to cook?
Bread? Noodles?
Write your answer in English below. We love reading your stories.
Thank you for joining us in the kitchen today. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.